If you're somebody tired of trying to get traffic to an affiliate offer, not getting sales, spinning your wheels on everything you think you know to do to actually make money with affiliate marketing, this video is for you. I've been there. I freaking know what it feels like to have something you think, oh my God, this is going to be amazing. Everybody's going to want it. People are going to buy from me left and right. And then you start doing it and then nothing really happens. And then when something does kind of happen, it's like, I thought it'd be a little bit better than this. I'm going to show you one thing to change in your affiliate marketing business that can bring higher quality leads and ultimately get you more consistent sales. You know what rhymes with consistent? Hitting the like button. No, it doesn't rhyme, but do it anyways. Also, know what rhymes with hitting the like button? Subscribing and hitting the bell. Doesn't rhyme at all, but you know what? I think it makes sense. This is going to be a good video. So I'm going to explain this very simply. I was on a mastermind call with one of my internet marketing friends. We were strategizing and everything like that. And then he got out a whiteboard and did this little thing I'm about to do that I was like, man, this is something really good to teach. And so I'm going to do it here. And we were on this mastermind call. We make consistent income on a daily basis online. I make up to $500 a day. So these are two of us. We're like, let's take this, let's take all this to the next level. And he did this little thing that I was like, I gotta, show this on a video. So here we go. So let me just go ahead and type something really quick. So let's kind of imagine, or we're not going to imagine, we're going to kind of see this. And this is not going to be the best because I suck at doing these kind of things, but we're just going to make this the bullseye here. Okay. We've got our affiliate marketing target. This red bullseye here is going to represent, okay, hot buyers, okay? On this level, or not level, but on this little ring, okay, in our target, okay, this is gonna represent, let me get my little thing here. This is gonna represent very interested, okay? This is gonna represent very interested. This third ring, okay, is going to represent seekers but may, okay, stray. Oh my God. Stray. People, and I'm going to explain this in a second, okay? On this ring, we've got people, this is going to represent the people that we're trying to target. Got many options. They may be interested, okay, in what you have to offer, but they're looking at a lot of things that are very similar. Then on this outer ring here, and I probably could have drew more rings because there's different types of people, but we're just going to go with this. One and done. This represents our one and done people. Now, what does that mean? So let me go ahead and explain this. So one and done is like people who, your product was brought to their attention some way or maybe the industry that your product is in, and they found out about it, they were kind of interested in it, but they really have no intentions on buying. They're just kind of curious. These are, somewhat window shoppers or people who they're just not serious at all. Then we've got this, kind of next ring here, and this has got many options. It's like, okay, yeah, they've heard about what your industry, they've heard about your product. They know there's other ones like out there, and so they're trying to compare a whole bunch, right? They're maybe willing to buy, but they're going to take a while trying to decide what they're trying to do. Or what they're trying to actually get. Then we got this ring, seekers but may stray. Okay, people who are starting to get a lot more interested in your product, but maybe they're skeptical. Maybe they're just like, I just don't know. They can go like one side or the other. And this is all around us targeting people that are willing to pay us money ASAP, right? So that's these people. Now we've got this ring here, which are people who are very interested, okay? They're more like they see your product, they've seen who you are or whoever you're marketing yourself as, and they're very interested. This is like we're getting very, very close to our hotspot, okay? And this is too kind of in our hotspot as well. And then we got the hot buyers, okay? These are people that are like, they've seen your product, like they didn't stray very far. They know they want it. It's just it makes so much sense to them that they're just like, I'm ready to buy. And these are the people that buy extremely quickly from seeing your content for the first time and actually making a purchase, okay? or within the next few days, you know, out of them coming into your sales funnel or seeing your site, they actually buy, right? These are the people that we all dream of. This is what we want. This is what we imagine. So here's what I've noticed with newbies, okay? When they start actually promoting something, and like I said, I've worked with a lot of people and I've like really analyzed what they're doing wrong or, you know, what's going on. And at the end of the day, I found almost every time they may be spinning their wheels on marketing, but they are marketing to this right here. They're hitting the target right on these first two rings here. And maybe randomly they're hitting like the third ring. Okay, randomly, but they really didn't know how they did that, you know, but there you go. But most people are marketing to people that are just really not that interested. And this is the struggle that I've seen with many people. So how is it that we attract these people, all right, and then ultimately in the super green, hot buyers? I made it a little smaller so I can write here. So we got the freaking hot buyer strategy, right? And I'm going to give you some, I don't know why that happened. I'm going to give you some points here on what you can start doing to adjust in your marketing to start attracting freaking hot buyers, okay? And stop freaking marketing to people right here. This is like one of the most common mistakes with affiliate marketing, okay? So first off, let me just make this size not so big. Now this is gonna start here, having an irresistible offer so that when you are targeting these people, I mean, the offer is so freaking amazing to them that if they were hot before, they are just boiling, okay, by the time you get to them. The second part, get specific, okay? A lot of people, what I also notice, and it makes sense, a lot of people when they're targeting, they think to go very broad. If it's, let's say you're doing weight loss, I keep using weight loss as an example, and you're in affiliate marketing, to a newbie's mind, going after, you know, making content around weight loss is like, duh, that's what you gotta do if you wanna sell a weight loss product. But you have to realize right now, people, they're using the platforms like Google and YouTube and, you know, anything else that they can search on. They're looking up keywords. They're looking up content that's very specific to their problems. A lot of times they already have something in their mind that they're kind of already looking for. So for like weight loss, you know, let's say you start making blog articles or you start making YouTube videos on weight loss, you know, and you're trying to get your videos, first off, it's going to be impossible for you to get your videos ranked for something that big and competitive, but you have to kind of think when somebody is, you know, going on to YouTube or Google and typing up, you know, how can I lose weight or, you know, weight loss tips, something like that. Their mindset, they're not really trying to buy something. If they are going to buy something, you know, if you've got like an actual like supplement or something like that and can make some good content around that, maybe. But they're kind of looking for people that are going to give them some tips on some things they can either buy at the grocery store they can literally just go to, or maybe some workout tips that is pretty much free. They're not really that interested right at that second to just buy the next training program that you may have or some sort of digital product on weight loss. It's, you know, can happen, but like I said, they're not that hot. Like these are the people kind of out here, right? But there are some people that are right now in weight loss looking for a training program that they're willing to spend money on. They're looking for a training coach, you know, a digital virtual coach or whatever. That is actually kind of happening, which is insane. They are looking for certain things they want to spend money on. So if you made content around best weight loss products, best weight loss training programs or courses, things like that, look at that title or look at that topic. I mean, it's completely different from the other example I gave. These are people that are right here. They're already knowing, okay, I may have to spend money on something and I don't mind because of what they're searching for. And there, this kind of sounds weird here. Kill them with the benefits, okay? You know that little saying, kill them with kindness, but right here we got kill them with the benefits, because now when somebody's like, okay, I want to spend money and they kind of found something they may really want to do, or they're possibly slightly on the fence, right? So when you're following up, you know, via, you know, your email autoresponder, you know, Facebook, retargeting ad, whatever, make sure you talk about what they are going to be getting with whatever product you are you're promoting or you're with. And the thing that I've been able to do in the biz op niche is find offers that everybody can benefit from, so they're irresistible. I tell people, hey, look, this is something that gives you 100% commissions. If you're looking to make extra money and you don't know where to start, you don't know, how the heck to start an online business, and you want to learn marketing, you want to get quality traffic, quality leads into your funnel, that's what this course or program or digital system teaches. If you're tired of not getting support from other things you've been with, we don't have that here. Welcome to the freaking party. You get instant payouts. You can get coached by me. We've got people old, young, new, not new, all freaking killing it. See, so I'm hitting them with benefits that's just like, okay, it just makes them, if I'm already targeting these people here, it just makes people, want to get it that much more. And then they do. The other thing I like to do to really stand out from other affiliates, and I learned this from a guy named Grant Cardone, all right? He's kind of going through a rough patch right now. Rough patch, but he's kind of, I don't know if he's going crazy. He had like a weird interview with Jordan Belfort. It was just crazy, but he had a big ego and was just, anyways. But I loved his book, Be Obsessed or Be Average. And one thing that just I can't get out of my mind that I've been really putting into place with my affiliate marketing is this right here. Overpromise and over-deliver. All right, let me make this in freaking a different color because this is huge. One thing I love, and like I said, once you have an irresistible offer right off the bat, this kind of gets, this gets easier to do. But one thing in Grant Cardone's book, he says there's that saying that we all try to live by, right, which is under promise, over deliver. And he talks about how small that was and how such small speaking that was. And after he went over the points on over-promising and over-delivering for your clients or whatever business you have, or with affiliate marketing, it just made so much sense to me. This is like a bonus tip. If you can do this, if you can add even more value on top of something that's already amazing, oh my gosh, you're not only going to build an audience that's willing to buy from you, but people who are going to be begging you, like, what do you have next? Like, tell me. I get questions all the time from my email list. People have just already bought something, and then I'm like, all right, let's do this, this, and that. They're like, okay, yeah, but I want to know something else you have. And I'm like, wait, come on, let's focus on this first. They're just like waiting for something for me to send them. Like, this right here, it works. All right, I got my big old head back up on this screen. That was a lot. I was talking a lot. I was really excited to make this video, to be honest with you. If you look at your marketing campaigns, whatever you're doing to make content, if you're doing blog articles, if you're making YouTube videos, and you look at the topics and you're like, yeah, all of the things or most of the things I've been doing have not been specific enough. They've been broad. They've been targeting people who just, they're not really willing to buy, or another type of person is they may not have the money to buy. And that's okay. But obviously for us, we're trying to target the people who are ready, who are hot buyers, quality leads, ready to buy. So if you like this video, give it a like, also subscribe. Also, if you want to check out one of the #1 affiliate systems I've been making up to $500 on a daily basis with, click that first link in my video description below. I mean, it's freaking amazing. It's literally got some of the best affiliate marketing training I have seen in years. And guys, I've been doing this for the last 6 years full time. If you're somebody that struggles with selling individual affiliate products, not getting any help, not getting any actionable material, not knowing what are the step-by-step instructions to get loads of sales every day, this is something you actually need. You get a chance to get some one-on-one coaching with me. I can dive in, see where you're struggling, give you a foolproof game plan on how you can start to get out of wherever you're at, okay? Or maybe you're already doing well, but you want to scale to the next level. We can do that too. Click that link if you want a done-for-you system that delivers insane amounts of value so that you can make money. That's what we're here for, right? And again, like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that bell next to the subscribe so you get notified on the new videos that I make. So anyways, talk to you guys later.